all. We will start with okay. Okay, so this is not yeah. Okay, you are given with let's say this distances. Okay, today I don't have my digital tab with me, so I cannot write. So, but I will explain this in Excel sheet. Okay, so you have this 5 clusters A, B, C, D, E. Okay, and their distances are given to you, and you are asked to find the dendrogram of above clusters with the agglomerative clustering algorithm using single linkage and complete linkage. Now this is little twisted. Okay, you have to do with both single linkage and complete linkage. Okay, so how to solve this? Let me start with Excel. Okay, okay, so what you have, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, and A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, now here I will first of all copy all those values. Okay, so 17, 21, 31, 23. 17, 21, 31, and 23. Okay, then this is 30, 34, 21, 30, 34, and 21. Since the matrix is symmetric, so there is no need to copy down the remaining values. They are all going to be the same. 28 and 39. Okay, this will be 0, this will be 0, and the last one is 43. Okay, now this is good. Okay, so this is, let me color it gray color. Okay, now you are given with this distance matrix, and you are asked to solve with the single linkage. Okay, and then you are also asked to solve with the complete linkage. Okay, now let's start with the first method, that is what is a single linkage. Okay, so in single linkage, what you will do, that you will first of all, let's start with the distance, that is the minimum one, and as you can see, which one is minimum? 17 is minimum. So let me highlight this. Okay. 17 is minimum, so it means that A and B will be merged together. Okay, so I will write this letter, so C, D, E, and then A, B is merged. Okay, so you will have C, D, E, and A, B merged together. Okay, so now what you will do is you will copy down the distances. So C to C will be 0, C to D is your 28, so I will write 28. C to E is 39, so I will write 39, and then C to AB. Okay, C to AB, you have to find out what is the distance with A and B. So it is 21 and 30. Okay, and since you are doing single linkage, so you will copy the minimum one. Okay, 21, 30. What is the minimum out of it? So it is 21. So I will write 21 over here. Then D to D is 0. D to E. D to E is straightforward. Go and find out D to E is 43. So you will copy down D to E 43. Okay, and then D to AB. D to A is 31 and D to B is 34. So you will select the minimum of this. So minimum of this is 31. Okay, then E to AB. E to A is 23. E to B is 21, and you will write the minimum one, so it will be 21. Okay, that's it. Now this is what is step number 2. Now you will again have to find out the minimum distance. So now here you can see there are two distances which are almost same, so 21 and 21. You can choose any one. Okay, it doesn't matter, you choose C or E, but the dendrogram will be little different. So let us choose the C first. Okay, so I will select this. as the distance. Okay, so it will be, now you will have D E and ABC. Okay, D, E and ABC, and then we will find out the distances of that. Okay, D to D is 0, D to E is straightforward, it is 43. D to ABC, D to ABC. Okay, so D to C is 28 and D to AB is how much? 31. Okay, can you see this? This is D to C 28 and D to AB is 31. So what will be the distance that you will copy? 28. Okay, 0. E to ABC, E to AB is 21 and E to C is 39. Okay, can you see that? E to AB is 21 and E to C is 39. So which one will you copy? 21. Okay, so 21 will be there. Okay, and this will be ultimately 0. Okay, and then next cluster to be merged will be E. So you will write D, then A, B, C, E, D, A, B, C, E. Okay, and then this is straightforward. So D to D is 0, D to ABC is 0, and D to ABCE, D to ABCE is obviously 28. Okay. Okay, good. And then ultimately what you have is ABCDE versus ABCDE. Okay, I'll write it here. ABCDE, ABCDE. This will be 0. Okay. Good. Now, if you go on plotting the dendrogram, okay. So what will be the first cell you have merged, first clusters you have merged? So AB. Okay. So the first two clusters that you will be merged are A and B. Okay. Just a minute. Just give me a second. Let it start. Okay. So you will have A and B. Okay. So this is get merged. Then what is the next that you have merged is C. Okay. So you have merged C with AB. Okay. Then what you have merged? You have merged E with ABCE. Okay. So this is E and then ABCE. Okay. And then ultimately D, the final cluster. Okay. Good. Now, if you want to find out the cluster at a particular level, okay. For example, let's say I want to find out two clusters only. So if I take a cut at this particular section cut at this level, okay. Can you see this? Okay. So there will be D in one cluster and then A, B, C, E in one cluster. Okay. So at every level, you will finally everything is same. Okay, in a one cluster. So at this level, second level, if you take cut, then it will be two clusters. At this level, if you take cut, you will have three clusters. So D, E, and then A, B, C. Okay. So you'll have three clusters over here. If you take a cut over here, you'll have four clusters. So AB is one cluster, C is separate, E is separate, and D is separate. Okay, and then at this level, the whole all 6 points will be there. Okay, So this is the final dendrogram that you will have with this single linkage method. Okay, so this is what is the single linkage method. Now let me just copy this, okay, in the next sheet, and then we'll, okay, I'll just clear this. Okay, so now this is what is the same matrix. We'll start from the scratch for the complete linkage. Okay, now listen carefully, this is a little bit different. Okay, so initially the first step will be always same, because here, okay, I will just remove this. Initially this data is given to you, this distance matrix is given to you, okay, and you are asked to find out the first one, okay, the first cluster to be merged. So first cluster will always be the closest cluster. So which one is the closest one? So obviously this one is the closest one. Which one? The 17. 17 is minimum. So what I will do, I will say C, D, E and AB. Okay, so this first step will be same for everyone. Okay, and then C to C is 0, C to D is 28, C to E is 39, okay, and C to AB. Now C to AB is the 21, C to A is 21 and C to B is 30. Are you getting me? Okay, so I'll write it here. Distance of C to A is equal to how much? 21, and distance of C to B is how much? 30. Now we are asked to solve it with the complete linkage. Okay, we are solving with the complete linkage. So which one will you choose? Complete linkage says choose the maximum distance. Now, so that you will choose this one, you will choose 30. Okay, understand this. Now I will put 30 over here. Okay, so I'll put 0 here, 0 here, and 0 here. Okay, now D to E. D to E is how much? 43. So I'll put 43 over here. D to AB, again the same thing. D to A is 31. D to B is 34. Which one will you choose? You will choose 34 instead of 31. In the last example, we have put 31 because we are solving it with the minimum linkage. Okay, and E to AB, E to AB is 23 and 21. So which one will you put? Maximum is 23. Okay, are you getting me? So now this is done, but now selecting the cluster to be merged, you always choose the closest one. Okay, so find out the minimum one. Which one is the minimum one? This one is the minimum one. Okay, EAB. So what you will do, you will say ABE will be merged together. Okay, and then your C and D. Okay, so C, D and AB. Okay, I'll just clear this. Okay, now C to C is 0, D to D is 0, AB to AB is 0. Okay, C to D, C to D is 28, I will put 28 as it is. C to ABE, C to ABE, what will be the value? 39. What is the maximum? 39. D to ABE, D to ABE, okay, 43 and 34. What will you put? You will put 43. Okay, good. Then ultimately you will find the minimum among this. So which one is the minimum one? This one is minimum one. Okay, so I will select D and C to be merged. Okay, so I will have ABE and then CD. Okay, ABE and then CD. Okay, AB to AB is 0, CD to CD is 0. Okay, ABE to CD, ABE, sorry, this is to be ABE. ABE to CD. Okay, 39 and 43. What will you put? 43. Okay, and ultimately here you will have ABCDE and ABCDE. So that will be 0. Okay, are you getting me? So here for complete linkage, you are selecting, when you want to select the distance between two clusters, you will select the maximum one because you are solving with the complete linkage. Okay, but when you want to merge the clusters, you have to merge the clusters which are closest to each other. Okay, now let us draw the dendrogram for this. So how will you draw the dendrogram? Okay, yeah. Okay, So where is that? Yeah. What we have merged first in the second step, A, B together. Okay. So let's say A and B. Okay. They are merged first. Okay. Then what is merged next? A, B, E. Okay. Then you have merged E with AB. Okay. Then CD is merged. Okay. So here you can see CD separately. Okay. They are merged. Okay. So I'll just write D little over here. Okay. And then A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So here this is merged together. Okay. Now this is with the complete linkage. Okay. So this dendrogram is with the complete linkage. Okay. And the previous dendrogram is with the single linkage. Okay. Now you can see the difference. Okay. You can see the difference of this. Okay. But only the common thing is that AB is merged initially. Okay. Again, the same thing. If you want to take if you want, say, to find out two clusters only, so you can take a cut over here and you will have two clusters, CD and EAB. Okay. If you want to find out three clusters, so you can have the cut at third level, and then you will have CD and EAB, like that. Okay. So maybe this is easy, but the thing is that when you are dealing with complete linkage, you have to find out the maximum distance when you are finding out the distance between two clusters. But when you are merging, you have to see the closest cluster. Okay. So this is a little confusing, and the difference between the single linkage and complete linkage.
Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please click on like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please write your suggestion, queries in the comment box or mail me at dineshjhende@gmail.com. Thank you very much.